Hi guys, a very warm welcome from Arjiti Creations. Today we are going to learn how to create a beautiful watercolor mandala. For that I have taken this sheet of black paper. The size of the black sheet is 25 centimeters by 25 centimeters and I have taken a white watercolor sheet. This is a watercolor sheet and the dimensions of this sheet are 21 centimeters by 21 centimeters. Once we've made a beautiful watercolor effect on this, then we are going to create a mandala. So let us quickly get started. First you take your watercolor sheet and we are going to create a watercolor effect on this. Now I have taken my watercolors. I have taken a little water. Now you can use the colors of your choice. So here I'll be using bright shades. You can use brighter shades. Then I'll be using yellow. Now in the base, like I want to do blue, so you can take blues. Now if you want to create a tinge of pink somewhere and blend them. Now I will let my watercolor sheet dry completely. It will dry into a very beautiful pastel shade and then we'll start our mandalas. So now my watercolor sheet has dried up completely and I have stuck it in the center of my black sheet. Now the first step that we are going to do is we have to determine the midpoint. Now to determine the midpoint, just mark the midpoint, that will be 10.5 centimeter, and we will draw a light line. In the same way we are going to mark the midpoint here also. And just join these points. So you will be able to get your center point, which will be the center point when we are making the mandala. Now here we'll be using a combination of a circle and a square. So to do that combination, let us first draw the first square. Now for drawing the first square, we are going to draw a 3 centimeter diagonal size of the square. So just take your pencil, just mark 3 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter this side, 1.5 centimeter this side. You've got your points, just join those points. So here we are going to use a combination of circle square. So the centermost piece is our square. Now we want to do a double square. Just draw the double line. So this becomes our first layer. The next layer is another square that we are going to create. That square we are going to create right at this point here. So at this point, from this point, mark 1.5 centimeter. At this point also mark 1.5 centimeter. Join this. Same way, from this point mark 1.5 centimeter and join it. Now join it this way. So you've created another square. Now just mark a double line outside it. See, your double square is ready. Now we are going to create a circle. Now the circles should be such that it passes through touches the square this way. So just take this as the radius and draw a circle. Now this is, if you notice, this is approximately a 2.5 centimeter circle. Just mark a 0.1 mm point so that we can draw an outer circle. Like this. Now we are going to draw further circles in the outside. So after 2.5 centimeter, just mark a point at 4 centimeter, then 4.1 centimeter because it is going to be a double line. Then we'll mark a point at 5.5 centimeter and 1 centimeter gap. Then we are going to give a gap of 2 centimeters. So here mark a point at 7, 7.5 and then mark a point at 9 centimeters. Now let us draw. Like this. Now what we are going to do is, you take your protractor, put it right in the center. I'll put it in such a way that this line is the 0 point here. This is 180 degrees. Now in this particular mandala, we will be creating 8 petals outside, Ashtapeta. For doing the 8 petals outside, we need to divide 360 degree into 8 parts. Now what we are going to do is, first we are going to divide the internal circles. For dividing the internal circles, take your protractor and mark 45 degrees, 135 degrees. In the same way, we are going to mark 45 degrees and 135 degrees. Just take a scale and join. Now don't extend the line outside. Just make your lines inside. Here. Okay. Like this. And we have the 4 squares available to us. We are further going to divide this into half. So that is 22 and a half. Just mark the point. Now this way, we've divided the internal part. Now for the external part, we want to create petals. Now we want to create 8 petals. For that, what you do is, we are just going to extend these lines. See, just extend this line. This is going to be the center point of this petal, and this is going to be the reference lines. Just extend this line to mark the point, and this is going to be the reference point. Now let us get started. First and the foremost, let us start with our pen. So I am taking a 0.4 micron here. Take your scale. Let me just do an outline for the squares and the circles first. Now when we are creating this square, here I aim to do lines, lining work. So here if you notice, I am using a scale to do my lining work. It is preferable to use a scale here because this is going to determine the look of our mandala. See this way. In the same way, let me create this side also. So first divide it into half. Now the same way we are going to do it here also. Like this. Now in the center I am drawing a circle like this, and let us do the designing on all the 3 sides. For that, from this corner just draw a pointed petal. like this. Then draw another pointed petal, but it is going to merge in the corners like this. Now divide. I am dividing this circle into half. In this side I am going to give a color, and in this side I am going to leave it. So here I am going to color this part, and in this side I am going to color the outer part, leaving the center part like this. I will create another circle outside. Like this. Just create a dot, line, and we are going to color this outer part to make it look better and make it come out like this. Now in this part also we are going to start doing our long petals. So first we'll draw it at the four corners. Like this, and do a double line to it. So just make them of tapering sizes like this. Yes, this way. Now let me just draw the circle outlines and show you. So now I have drawn these lines. Now let us first do the designing in this circle. So for this designing we are going to make our pointed petals here. like this. Let us do double line. In this we'll divide it and we are going to make circles here like this. Make another line and we will have lines, checks. In the same way, like this. So this is a check. There are circles in the outside one. This is one of the pillar patterns we have learned in lesson 1. Now here just create a dot and a line. Now after we've done this layer, we are now going to do this one. For this we are going to make semicircles. Now let us draw double line here, and in the center we will make a circle, small circle with a dot. Now drop shape. Like this. Now we are going to fill up the remaining area using a black pen. Now here I am using a 0.8 pen to fill it up. Preferably use any pen to fill it up rather than a sketch pen because the gap is limited here. Now to mark the contrast of this black, we are just going to do simple lines here. Like this. Now let me finish this part and show you. So now we have finished this. Now we are going to make the 8 petals around this. So for this, from here now this line also we are going to draw outside part of the petal, this line, and also this line. Now let us first design one of the petals. So we are going to do a double line here. We'll do another line. So we'll draw this shape, draw slanting line or sleeping lines. Just make sure that these are equal on both sides. So like I'm drawing 6 on one side, so let there be 6 on the other. Like this. Now take your thicker pen and just do an outline for this. So now I have just created those double lines here. Let us now do the internal figure. So we'll draw this shape. Draw slanting line or sleeping lines. Just make sure that these are equal on both sides. So like I'm drawing 6 on one side, so let there be 6 on the other. Like this. Now take your thicker pen and just do an outline for this. Now see, in this way we have completed the 8 petals. Let me finish the same pattern in the middle part. And in this outer part, we are going to give thin lining like we did inside. So here you can either use a scale or do it freehand. Now in this way let us create lining all across. So the trick is first draw the center line. Just divide it into half and then draw your lining. Try to keep an equal distance between your lines. So now you can see I finished it for all sides, and now our beautiful 8 petaled lotus mandala on the watercolor sheet is ready. Do create your own and share with us. Thanks for watching. Do like our video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the notification button or the bell button so that you can be notified as soon as we are live or we put a new video. Thank you so much and bye bye.